Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. Today we are going to discuss a case law on the MV Act as well as the insurance. You can read this case as Oriental Insurance Company Private Limited versus Kahlon alias Jasmeet Singh Kahlon through his legal representative Gosakan Kahlon and another in civil appeal number 4800 by 2021. So Oriental Insurance Company case. Here normally as defense advocate we say that personal injury abates with death. This is the theory. Normally we may be saying in so many things, but it is not accepted. So personal injury, the legal representative or LR is entitled only to compensation which forms part of the estate of the deceased. But loss of injury, loss of salary, future prospects and pain and suffering, these things do not form part of the so-called estate. This is what is argued by the defense lawyer but not accepted by the Supreme Court. Hefty amount of compensation has been given because the lower court has given only 1 lakh compensation. The High Court up to 37 lakhs. Of course, after so many discussions, ultimately the Supreme Court gave it to 27 lakhs or so, 28 lakhs 42,175 rupees. So there are so many discussions on this topic. So this is the thing. So let us go into the details of the case, then it will be better for you to appreciate the same. The accident happened on 12/5/1999, so almost 20 years back, 22 years back. It happened on 12/5/1999 in Trivandrum when Mr. Kahlon, he was the original claimant. He was traveling in his vehicle along with his wife and a daughter. Of course, now she is married. At the time, she was unmarried daughter. Their vehicle has been hit head-on collision by a lorry driver who drove his vehicle in a rash and negligent manner. So, the severity of the injuries, actually, he was immediately shifted to the Government General Hospital, Trivandrum, but the severity of the injury made him be shifted to Apollo Hospital, Chennai. So he was there for about 6 months, but no improvement. He was discharged on 24/11/1999, almost 6 months he was there. But his suffering, because he suffered shock and quadriplegia with respiratory failure. So that means even after discharge, he was confined to the wheelchair itself. So the team of doctors who tested him about the disability, they said it is 100% disability because motor system disability, he cannot move. Motor system disability, he cannot move. So that's the main problem. Right, okay. Then added to this, please remember, the claimant, Mr. Kahlon, he was a law graduate and he was doing the job of Deputy General Manager, Labor Welfare. Right. So, of course, he has actually got the case transferred to his area, Punjab state. And he could not perform the job. Being in wheelchair, he could not do the job. Ultimately, at the age of 53 itself, on 30/9/2001, he resigned for the job. He suffered a lot. During the pendency of the suit, he died on 6/11/2015. 6/11. Of course, this death you cannot attribute it to the accident. As stated by our defense lawyer, you cannot attribute, but he died. So sympathy prevailed over other things in the Supreme Court. Right. So as per section 166 of the MV Act, he filed a claim for compensation in the MV Act Claims Tribunal and lower court, that is district court, which granted a compensation or of 1 lakh, awarded 1 lakh, of course with 9% interest. Right. Now, not satisfied because he has to be in the wheelchair, he has to suffer so much of pain, suffering, some attendant charges, so many things are there. So therefore, he approached the Honorable High Court. the Honorable High Court of Punjab and Chandigarh, right, it has enhanced to 37,81,234 by taking into account his annual salary. So with the multiplier theory, you may be knowing, so because of multiplier theory. So with the future prospects, applying multiple theory, multiple of 11. Right, so they have calculated all the pain, suffering, attendance charge, all these things. Now the trouble has started. So agreed by this, the Oriental Insurance Company, they filed an appeal in the Honorable Supreme Court of India. So here, the Honorable Supreme Court of India held that, already so many times it has been reiterated, the Motor Vehicles Act is a beneficial legislation. Section 166 provides claim an accident by the person who sustained the injury, right? So normally, even though the defense lawyer stated that the personal injury abates with the death of the deceased and the LR is entitled only to compensation, that's all, not the loss of salary, not the pain and suffering, all these things. So in this connection, let us go back to our law of torts case, Mike Clausburst versus East India Hotels, wherein the Lufthansa pilot, he came to India, he was taking in rest in Oberoi Hotel, he fell into the swimming pool, he lost consciousness. There also, till his death only, the compensation was paid. But here Supreme Court said, we see no reason as to why the legal representatives cannot pursue the claims for the loss of property akin to the estate of the loss of property, which is equal to the, which is similar to the estate of the injured. So you should liberally interpret. Already the person died, may not be due to the same accident, but he lost his valuable life. We cannot get it back. His legal now, since his legal representative has stepped into the shoes of her father, definitely it should be taken as the estate. The injured required the dead person, he has required prolonged hospitalization and it is 100% disability. So he has resigned for the job. At that time, he was only 53 years old. So he is highly qualified. So technical, of course, the Supreme Court said these technicalities cannot be accepted. These technical are rejected for his claim for salary. So ultimately, the Supreme Court calculating the theory, they have awarded 28,42,175 with 9% test. Friends, this is a very good case where you can claim. Please remember here, normally they award the compensation only to the injuries. Here, injuries, future prospects, suffering, pain, attendant charge, all these things were given by the multiplier theory. And normally this will be applied to the deceased persons. Here, he did not die of this injury. After so many years, he died. The incident took place in 1999. He died in 2015. But still, this is added. This is the actual impact of this case. Supreme Court has given a liberal interpretation and awarded this much. So, please read the judgment thoroughly and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.